because that literally covered almost everything, would have impacted the ease of doing business in this country, right from the rankings to setting up of specific cells and so forth. If you look at the next speech which I had as regards Soumya was concerned, the topic as raw and as boring as search and Caesar, she literally, with the kind of voice modulation that she did, it was converted into a sort of a story. And that is what is needed to engage an audience. That sometimes topics might be dull, drab, but then if you can really create a story that, yeah, you are in your house, you've got an income tax officer coming in, knock knock, now what do? So it kind of creates an interest. Okay, let me understand this drab 234 and this and that. So what I'm just trying to tell you is throwing light on things which I really liked about the specific topics. Like for example, Manali's manner of speech, or so in Pooja Jhawar's speech, insolvency and bankruptcy code, it was also good in terms of some detailing, but then the story build-up was not there. One thing which I specifically liked, let's say in Manali's speech, was the manner in which she completely was in control of the whole thing. So when she spoke, yeah, okay Gaurav, you can start taking the time from now. It was like there is no stage fair, complete control of the thing, and the manner in which you speak with the voice modulation, that was good. In one of the speeches, I liked this story of this hippopotamus. When you say things like this, it really engages the audience because you suddenly start thinking, okay, this is this mouse which can make a difference, and then you build the connect to the digital India. And one of the exemplary speeches which I liked also was this NPAs. I think even if some seasoned chartered accountant with 25-30 years of work experience would also have spoken on this topic, Arijit's speech, I am not sure whether he or she would have been able to add any further light on it. The manner in which these guys spoke, the content. So, in fact, I would rather say that all of you really spoke very well. Some of you were jittery. Now, these things can happen. Even all of you were branch toppers at some point of time and you came here. But I found two cases in which people actually lost control of things midway. One reason could be stage fear. One reason could be an overemphasis on memory. So, if you are like this 12-minute speech needs to be memorized and suddenly okay that track is lost, you are gone. Instead, if you could build it into bundles of information that you need to speak sequentially in a story, it would rather probably help. Just of the future, because this is just as I always say to my GMC students also, like you do not do chartered accountancy just for this course or for a starting salary. You do it for 35 long years till your retirement. As Manish Goyalji was saying, 1997, he was there as an elocution contest speaker, and today he was speaking as the chairman of EIRC and maybe next council member and whatnot. So this is just the beginning, dear friends, because youngsters like you are so full of energy that it is inspiring for all of us as judges also. So thanks once again for contributing so much to the intellectual capital of EIRC. Wish you the very best for the future. Results immaterial. You win some battles in life, you lose some battles in life, it doesn't matter as long as you keep learning and moving to the next milestone. Thank you so much.